Welcome back, unicorns, to another video. And today's video is another YouTube collab. So if you want to see me create this look and hidden theme, stay tuned. And today's video is for hashtag unicornglamsquad. Each week on Wednesday we do a different theme, and I pick out the themes this week, and this week's theme was National Bow Day. So I'm going to be creating this bow inspired makeup look, and hopefully y'all do enjoy it. I will link ladies that's in this collab down below. They're add to their channel, their link to their video, so you can go check them out and show them some love and see what bow inspired makeup they're doing today. If you want to see everybody that's in this collab, you can click the hashtag in my title. If I missed anybody down below, that's how you can get to them, and I really recommend you check them out. This is also an open collab because I'm the host of this. I am looking for some other love ladies. So if you're a YouTuber and love doing makeup content and you want to join in on a creative makeup group that posts every Wednesday with different themes, this one's for you. So just DM me over there on Instagram so I can add you to the Instagram group, and then I'll give you all the information in the group. So continue watching me create this look, and I'll be back at the end of the video to show you the final results. So if you got this far in the video and enjoyed it so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It does help out a lot. And comment down below the bow emoji to be shouted in the next video I upload on my channel. If you want to see me shout in the previous video up on my channel, check out the channel's checkout section. There'll be YouTubers as well as subscribers, so please do check them out. And again, unicorns, if you do want to be shouted at, answer that question. And if you don't want to answer the question, just say you watched them for, and you'll also be shouted in the next video I also upload on my channel. So this is the final look. Let me know what you think down below. I think it turned out really cute, but I'd love to know your thoughts down below in the comments. I just did little bows on the side of my eyes, and I really loved how it came out. So here is the final look. So that would be it for today, and I will link everything I used down below. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below what you think, subscribe to our unicorn family, hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload, and unicorns, always be yourself. Bye!